welcome back to the channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Keith, and this is 3-Day RV, and this is where we do some DIY stuff and a little bit of travel video. This week's video is a safety video. It's going to be a short one, but I think it's just as important. We had a leak in our propane lines, these little plastic lines that come from the factory, and I need to replace these in the hoses. This rig's only 2 years old, and here we go. It's got a cracked fitting, and one of the lines where it's crimped is leaking. So what we're going to do is replace those, but it didn't make any sense just to go on Amazon and replace just the lines with the same like and kind that are just going to go bad. So we decided that we were going to upgrade our lines, and we ran across the GasStop product line. And the GasStop product line is a safety valve. So if you happen to have a leak, or if you lose a gas line from like a blown tire, I mean, I think we've all seen that. This device shuts off your propane and doesn't allow it to have a little flame. So we have the braided lines. We have the quality braided lines here that are the exact replacements for this. High quality fittings. I'm not sure what this material is made out of here. It's a hard polymer plastic of some sort. But this is the exact replacement kit that's needed for this particular RV. And the other cool thing about this, I'll show you a little close-up of this. This has got a valve with a regulator on it. So we're able to actually see the level of the propane. I think it works off of pressure. So you get a better idea when you're about to run out of propane. So we got a few good upgrades that we're going to do with this. So hang tight. We'll show you how we put this on. And as we're putting it on, I'll show you a few key benefits in using the GasStop. So to put this on, there are really only 3 wrenches that you need. You're going to need a 5/8 wrench to hold the big fitting that's screwed into your regulator. And to get this apart, you need a 1/2-inch wrench to pull this piece off. Once this line comes off, you break it off the fitting, and you can throw this away, whatever you want to do with it. When the new one goes on, that fitting simply screws into where this one came out. It is a tapered connection. I thought I was going to have to use Teflon tape, but that's not the case here. This is a tapered thread. I think it's called a JIC fitting. So it's a flared fitting. So when it goes in, it compresses really hard. So you don't have to put pipe dope and all that stuff. And on my old fitting, this is where it was leaking at. No matter how hard I tighten this, it just wouldn't seal. So hopefully this takes care of my problem. And I mean, this is a stainless steel hose. I mean, this is going to be a long time for use. So, all right, we're going to take this off and we'll tell you about what we have to do to. All right, so I can get my sprayer to cooperate. We just want to put a little bit of soap and water on all these fittings that we just cleaned out. A little soap and water, what that's going to do is help us find if there's any propane leaks. It'll bubble up like crazy if there's a leak. So it took 5 minutes to put these on. You need 3 wrenches. There's no Teflon tape needed. They screw right on. It's an OEM kit, so it's meant for an RV like this. And you know, it ups the safety game for you towing down the road. Now, in the perfect world, we're not supposed to be having the propane on when we're going down the road. And I know sometimes I forget. And this will have your back. Now, you're in the RV park and something goes wrong with one of your hoses. It ruptures, gets a leak, whatever. These GasStops are going to shut off and prevent you from having a really bad day. So that is really, that's the video. there's really nothing else to show you guys. This is a short and sweet. We will drop a link in the video description that'll take you directly to this product. And we appreciate you guys stopping by the channel. Please give us a like, and if you haven't already, consider subscribing, because it helps our channel grow and bring more content like this to other people that might be looking for it. So thanks for watching, and we appreciate it. Have a good one, and we'll see you next week.